Hi, today I'm for the Honor X85G and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So now let's just tap to open the application. Click to yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK. So you'll see here information about our battery temperature, that's 28 degrees in my case, and also we got here more information like battery level, capacity, voltage, model and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.